To improve your overall battery lifetime and health in Motorola Moto G86 5G, there's two important settings that you can try. First, let's open a settings on our device, and then we can move to the battery. When we enter it, we can first go for optimized charging. Now, if you're charging your phone regularly, for example overnight, then you can activate this feature. Your phone will basically use AI, and it will learn the pattern on how you charge your phone to stop charging to 80% when it reaches that, and charge it to 100% after that. But you can use this option or the other option that I'm going to mention, so be sure to deactivate one or other. So next thing is overcharge protection. If you activate this option, your phone will always stop charging at 80%, and this will help to preserve your overall battery lifetime. But as I said, you will only get 80% each charging time. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.